The narrator, Maxwell, traveled to Iraq in 1956. He thought he should keep an otter, and Camusfernia was suitable for this. When he told his idea to a friend, he advised to get an otter from Tigris marshes. They had to go to Basra to answer a mail. His mail arrived 5 days later. He carried it to his bedroom, where he found a sack beside 2 Arabs in his room. It was his otter. The otter resembled a small dragon, coated with pointed scales. Between the tips was a fur. He called it Mijbil. Mijbil's race was named as Lutrogale perspicillata maxwelli. Second night, Mijbil became more friendly. He made a belt for him. In the bathroom, he would enjoy for half an hour. 2 days later, Mijbil disappeared from the bedroom. Maxwell went to the bathroom and found him turning the tap to produce water. Midge would now follow him without a lead when he called his name. He spent hours playing with rubber ball and juggling small objects. The days passed peacefully at Basra, but Maxwell was afraid of transporting Midge to England. He booked a flight to Paris, from there to London. The airline insisted that Midge should be packed in a small box. He left the box for meal. When he returned, he found blood trickling from the box. On opening it, Midge caught his leg. He had torn the lining of the box. Then he put Midge again into the box and hurried off to the airport. In the aircraft, Midge leapt out of the box. He disappeared. A woman screamed. Maxwell saw Midge below the legs of an Indian. The air hostess told him to resume his seat. Finally, Midge boked on his knee and nuzzled his face. He remained in London for a month. Midge invented a game. The lid of a damaged suitcase remained at a slope. Midge would slide ping-pong ball on it. Outside, he'd exercise him just like a dog. On the way home, Midge would always walk on a low wall along a school. Maxwell considers it common for a Londoner not to recognize an otter. The variety of guesses about Midge surprised him. Otters belong to a small group of animals called mustelines, shared by badger, mongoose, mink and others. Some random guesses of what animal Midge was were: a squirrel, baby seal, walrus, hippo, beaver, bear cub, a leopard and a brontosaur. But the question for which Maxwell awarded the highest score came from a laborer digging a hole. He asked, "What is that supposed to be?" Subscribe for more videos.